Everyone, it's Case. Let's get started with OFA Day by Day, the One Funnel Away Challenge day by day. So you should be signed up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. That's Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels. They're going to explain the entire process to you. You come back here every day to learn what you've missed, to figure out where you're supposed to be, to maybe get a little clarification, whatever it is, the explanation that you need. This program, One Funnel Away Day by Day, is a summary of the training that Russell is doing so that you have a better idea of what to do, what to expect, how to keep track of everything, things like that. So we've got the videos here. If you're on YouTube on the Case Lane channel, you've got the videos. If you are on the Ready Entrepreneur website, it's actually guide.readyentrepreneur.com, and you're looking for OFA there. Okay, and that's where you'll have all the written explanations and all the links and everything like that. So let's get started. This is the intro to the intro, and we'll see you on the inside. Good luck. Let's get your business started in the next 30 days.
Hi, friends. This is Case Lane, founder of Ready Entrepreneur, and welcome to the One Funnel Away Challenge Day by Day, the path to create your online business. Do you ever want to do something, like start an online business, but you have no idea how to get started? You need a set of instructions or a map that will take you where you want to go. And the map should include tools that you can use over and over again. Well, that's what I'm going to deliver for you over the next 30 days. I'm going to explain the map so that the minute you are ready to start your business, you have a direction you can take along a proven path you can follow. This is the kind of information many aspiring entrepreneurs do not even know exists, and I'm going to deliver it to you here so you have it for yourself. The map we are going to use is the One Funnel Away Challenge from Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels. Now don't worry, the challenge is only with yourself. OFA is a comprehensive training program that teaches you how to get your product or service into your dream customers' hands, even if your product or service is just an idea. You learn how to separate yourself from everyone in the global marketplace by creating offers inside of sales funnels. The training is a ton of information, so I will be your guide. I will summarize the daily teachings in the program, remind you of the activities you should have completed, clarify different points, and keep a running list of expenses that you might have accumulated as you went along the way. The idea is to explain exactly what it takes to get your online business up and running by using OFA. Russell has created the OFA map. I'm going to explain day to day what you should be doing to make sure you meet your goals. This is the best way to get started. If you have no idea how to get started with an online business, get started with the One Funnel Away Challenge. All right, I'll see you on the inside. The One Funnel Away Challenge from Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels is what I consider the best program out there for you to just learn over the course of 30 days how to get a business up and running using sales funnels, but it's also fundamentally about the marketing, about the promotion, about reaching out to your audience and knowing, how to find customers and all of that. It's all a big part of it. So if you are an entrepreneur who is thinking that you just don't know how to get started with this online business game, One Funnel Away is the way to do it. So I'm Case Lane. I'm the founder of Ready Entrepreneur, and I answer the question for aspiring entrepreneurs: how do I get started? I'm at the very, very beginning of the process when you're thinking about starting a business, you're not quite sure what to do, you see all these people online doing all sorts of stuff, and you're like, well, how can I do it? So I started out as a writer, ebook self-publishing. I write fiction and nonfiction. I am a blogger. I've got readyentrepreneur.com where you can see my blogs, and at caselane.com. I'm a podcaster. I host the Ready Entrepreneur podcast, tons of great interviews with awesome entrepreneurs who will tell you their entrepreneurial journey so you know you're not alone. I'm also a frequent podcast guest. You can hear me on all sorts of other great shows. I've got the YouTube channel, which I guess you discovered because if you're watching this video, or you could be watching it on my website. And I'm also a coach. Give me 15 minutes and we'll discover your online business idea and get you on your way. So I've always thought that the One Funnel Away Challenge through ClickFunnels is just a great way for people to take a look at what you need to do to get started. But you really want to plan the next 30 days, okay? Because it's a lot of work. And what I wanted to do with this One Funnel Away Day by Day is to help you understand how to keep things in order and how to get through all the different things that there are to do. So next 30 days, here's what you're doing. You're clicking the link to sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge if you haven't done that already. So that's the affiliate link that's in the description description. That's the one you want to use to sign up and get into the program. Every day, you're going to be watching Russell and all the people he has involved in the program, teaching, going through the strategies, going through the tactics. Take notes. However it is that you absorb information, make sure you pull that all in. There's actually a lot of videos. It's not just the one main one that Russell does. There are other ones that you're going to want to watch as well. So really put aside the time for it. Now, if you get to the end, you say, oh, Russell talks really fast. I didn't hear everything that he said. There was a lot of stuff in there, because that's what tends to happen to people. You go to the OFA Day-by-Day page at guide.readyentrepreneur.com, OFA-day-by-day, no, not one more dash, but you see the link there. Click that link, go to the relevant page for the day that Russell was talking about, see the summary of the training, the additional information, watch my day-by-day daily videos if you're not quite sure where you are, what's going on, and implement. Always, always, always implement. Even if you get a little bit done each day, just implement the activities, do the different things Russell is telling you to do the things as I have in the list. I'll show you what I mean in a second. It's a way for you to actually just keep track. If you have any questions, send them to me, contact case@readyentrepreneur.com, or reach out on social media, but just keep moving forward, keep going through it. So each day I'm going to have a summary, recap, an explanation, confirming the strategy, confirming the tactics, and defining the work that needs to be done. I'm not going to repeat, Russell's teaching it all. He's got the training, he's teaching it. I'm helping you understand, because he talks really fast and people don't really understand him half the time, and they're not really sure. And he's usually big words like order bump and flagship framework and all this kind of stuff. So because it goes like that, the program goes quickly, and people have said it's hard to follow. I put this together so that you have it. You can just follow it this way through this program. Now, each day there's also going to be a work summary. So if you're not sure, what exactly am I supposed to be doing? I mean, they have the recaps and everything, but still, you might lose track of all the different things you're supposed to be doing. So I'm going to have the work to be completed each day, and there's time to catch up. It's done on a weekly basis. So the weekends, more or less, it's done by days. But if you happen to fall on a weekend, you'll have the time. But you can also just catch up whenever, right? Don't forget the additional videos. Watch and learn. Use all the resources that they have for you. Set aside the time. Yes, it's really more like 2 to 3 hours a day of training and creation of your products. If you don't have 2 to 3 hours a day, that's okay. Let it go longer. Just make sure you're implementing every day and working through it. I'm also going to have each day what the results were that you're supposed to have completed. Again, don't worry about if you can't get to it. Get to it eventually. Make sure you're going through steadily everything that needs to be done, but you can fall behind. There's a lot to cover. So you might fall behind. That's cool. Okay. And then each day I'm going to show you results to date. So I'm going to highlight all the activities that you should have completed up until that date. And sometimes, what makes it unclear is people aren't sure what the different terminology is for different things. So I'm going to have it there. It's going to be like one product for this, or, a sales page or video, whatever it is. It's just going to be laid all out for you, as well as the costs. The initial cost for One Funnel Away Challenge is $100. As you go through, depending on who you are, what kind of skills you have, maybe you've got really awesome graphic artist skills, so you're not going to be paying anybody to create products for you, and other people will be. So there's going to be a range around what your particular cost could be. Plus, I'm doing it too. I'm going through OFA and I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. Let's see how it goes, because I'm going to create 2 different funnels so that you have examples of how to do this. Because I know a lot of people think, it's not really for my business, it's not my thing or whatever. But I'm going to show you the most common one, which is the information product example, where you create sort of a how-to or something like that. And I'm going to do it around my book recast. So you'll see, I'll show you what my various steps are within OFA for the info product funnel. I'm also going to do one for affiliate products. I know a lot of you like to sell other people's products. You don't really know what you want to sell. So you're looking at other people's products. And I'm going to show you how I use affiliate products around another book series I have called the Ravencross book series. And I'm going to show you what that funnel is. And in that one, I'm also going to show you how I deviate from OFA. You really want to understand the concept. You want to understand the strategy and the tactics and the overall concept. But if you don't like, the price points that they're using, or the steps that don't quite fit with what you want, you can change it. And that's what I'm going to show you with my affiliate product example. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing over the next 30 days. Plus a little bit more if you're doing the 5-day lead challenge and things like that. If you're not sure what that is, go ahead and check out guide.readyentrepreneur.com OFA. And you can always reach out and ask me questions. I'm on the social medias. I have an email address, so reach out, ask questions. As I said, this is the program for you to get started with an online business. OFA gives you all the information you need. It gives you a strategy. It gives you a framework, a word you're going to get used to hearing. So if you are asking that question, I don't know how to get started, start with OFA. Just start there. Learn the process. Learn what it's all about. And as you sort of run through it and maybe have questions and so on, come back here to OFA Day by Day and check out the explanations. All right. I look forward to hearing from you over the next 30 days. Don't forget to reach out with your questions, comments, concerns. Put them also in the YouTube comments box, and I will see you all along the way. Good luck getting your online business started in the next 30 days.